Welcome to MathLab. Today, you're on your journey to discover how to solve stories in HCF and LCM. What is HCF? The highest common factor between two or more numbers is the common factors of all those numbers which has the greatest value. This morning, my friend told me that she has 4 green and 20 yellow balls. She wanted to arrange the balls in trays containing the same number of balls of the same color. She wanted to find the greatest number of balls that she can put in each tray. I thought of a number of ways of doing this. Right here I have 4 green and 20 yellow balls and a number of trays. If I put 1 ball in each tray, then I will have 24 trays. Is 1 the greatest number of balls I can put in each tray? What happens if I put 2 balls in each tray? Then I will have 12 trays. Is 2 the greatest number of balls I can put in each tray? Can I put 3 balls in each tray? Remember, neither 4 nor 20 can be divided into groups of 3. So, what happens when I put 4 balls in each tray? I will have 1 tray of 4 green balls and 5 trays of 4 yellow balls. Is 4 the highest common factor between 4 and 20? Does not 4 divide both 4 and 20? Thus, by finding the HCF between 4 and 20 gives us the greatest number of balls we need to put in each tray. Remember, while solving stories involving HCF, the common words you will come across are greatest or maximum. What is LCM? The least common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number into which all of them will divide. My friend asked me if I knew the least number of balls she should take. In this case, the color of the ball is not important, from her bag of 24 balls, such that she can divide them into groups of 3 and groups of 7 without leaving remainders in each case. So, I started grouping the 24 balls into groups of 3. So right here I have a group of 3, another group of 3, and so on. So, I have 8 groups of 3. No balls are left behind. Now, if I divide the balls into groups of 7, so I have one group of 7, another group of 7, and yet another group of 7. I find that 3 balls are left behind. Therefore, if I take 21 balls, then can I divide them into groups of 3 as well as groups of 7 without leaving any remainder? Is 21 the least common multiple between 3 and 7? That is, 3 divides 21, 7 also divides 21. So, by finding the least common multiple between 3 and 7, I could find the number of balls we needed to take. While solving stories in LCM, the key words are least or smallest. Remember, to read each story well before solving. Check for the keywords. You will be able to decide whether you need to find the HCF or LCM. Have fun solving your stories and discovering more about HCF and LCM.